Everyone on this deck has a role to play and has their place in the mission set.
There was a timeline that we had to meet for the build phase, and the people that worked in that planning stage have been absolutely phenomenal in delivering, the fastest infrastructure that we've ever seen across any EAP mission.
Operation Biloxi is UK's contribution to NATO's enhanced air policing mission. It covers the entire eastern flank and it happens every year. And this year, UK have been deployed to Borja Air Base in Romania.
Everyone always talks about how lucky they are to have a fantastic team, and sometimes it can seem a bit cliche.
So I'm Commandant Officer of 121 Expeditionary Air Wing, and it's basically a unit that can deploy rapidly anywhere in the world. Specifically for Operation Biloxi, we're here to support 3 fighter squadron, the UK Typhoons, on their enhanced air policing mission.
What I'm most proud of is, taking this step and putting myself out there and coming on this operation. I think there's a lot of opportunities in the RAF, and this being my first deployment, I don't think I really kind of understood how great being on an op actually is.
Everyone that's out here has made quite a sacrifice. Lots of people were put onto this operation relatively late on, so had to have significant life events out here and they couldn't necessarily be back at home. I'm the Chief of Staff Support here on Operation Biloxi 26. We have 2 Chiefs of Staff on this deck. One is for support and one is for the operations side. I take over the support aspect, which covers all of the aspects that support the squadron and the Typhoons directly and indirectly. We're very lucky, we've got quite a lot of units under us. We've got our engineering armourers who store our weapons and take care of them. We've got our ground engineering flight. We have all of our logistics teams, various and varied that they are, 3 MCS providing our food, movers, suppliers, MT. We've also got comms that are provided by 90SU. We also encompass the infrastructure side as well with 20 Works Group, who are Royal Engineers.
So my role as a 90SU Deck Commander has been leading the team through enabling all operational communication requirements. A key achievement for me through this deployment was at the start, where between myself and my team we achieved full operational comms within 5 days. Full operational comms consisted of delivering red, black and blue services, so anything from your Wi-Fi to all the secret systems that are used on the deck.
I'm Sergeant Douglas. I'm deployed here in Operation Biloxi 26 as the Chief Clerk. So my role here has involved managing and processing operational allowances, the movement of individuals in and out of theatre, including welfare support and also service discipline. One of the key highlights for me has been supporting such a wide range of people and seeing the positive impact and good administration can have on operations.
So I came out on the advanced party. So a lot of my team had actually already come out. They were on the activation team. They were a good week ahead of us so that we could provide what's called FOC, so full operating capability for the jets.
The decision to deploy to Borja Air Base was only made 4 months before the deployment, and it's offered up a great opportunity to work really closely with the Romanian Air Force with their F-16s stationed together here at Borja.
Quick reaction alert. The controlling asset here in Romania will call up the squadron and ask them to alpha scramble, which is that they have something in the airspace or something near the airspace that they want us to go and do something about. 2 predominant ones that we use, which is Alpha and Tango. Tango being for training, and Alpha is the term that we use for a live NATO QRA launch.
Moving Towers, morning, Rampage 2 on flight of 2. Request taxi from the heavy apron, negative active.
think one of the key achievements of Op Biloxi is not just achieving that 100% of QRA, but it's also working alongside our NATO partners in other exercises. That's including close air support exercises.
On the deployment, we obviously have a supply of assets, and we call them ordnance. They're explosives. They're to arm the jets to be able to fulfil their mission status. I work with a team called 93 EA Squadron. A key highlight for me was getting to see 93 come out, and they carried out preparation on a bunch of 27mm rounds.
Update 1 clear hot, clear hot.
So close air support, F-16 interoperability training, and working together with other NATO assets.
I'm Warrant Officer Class 2 Day, Royal Artillery. However, I am here on Op Biloxi as the host nation liaison officer and interpreter. So I speak Romanian because my wife is Romanian, and we've been together for almost 19 years now. The base mentioned to the deployment that this is the best foreign detachment that they've ever had. And actually, we've interacted in all levels. We've done sport together, we've done competitions together, you know, we've done social events, barbecues, we've really integrated. This deployment for me has been, on a personal level, absolutely brilliant. I have aspirations one day to retire here in Romania.
Another thing for me was we had a running group which we sorted out, so like early in the morning we'd go out and do like runs together, and that kind of like built up to the Bucharest half marathon that we did. And it was just a group of people where you could just run and have a chat about things simple like life back home.
When I leave, I'll remember the people I've worked with, the teamwork we've shown, and the unique experiences we've had. The friendships I've made will be one of the biggest highlights of this deployment. It's been a rewarding deployment, and one I'll look back on with pride.
I think what I'm most proud of is the team that I deployed with, the way that they've come on in all aspects of professionalism to their personalities developing. I think the challenges that they face and the pressure that they've been under, they've all outshone themselves, and it was a fairly junior team as well. So I think I take a lot of pride in that.
As Commanding Officer of Op Biloxi and of an extremely talented team delivering on operations, I'm immensely proud of our achievements. It's been a really strong relationship delivering that mission. But on top of that, it's all the partnerships and friendships that we formed with our Romanian colleagues. Mulțumesc, Romania. We look forward to coming back, and we also look forward to the next Enhanced Air Policing mission.